Measurement of national income. There are three methods of calculating national income. They are product method, income method, and expenditure method. The product method. The first method is a product method in which the total output of the country in a particular year is calculated. Here, the gross value of the output of different sectors, namely agriculture, industry, trade, etc., are taken into consideration in a particular year. The value obtained by this is always a GNP at market price. The main problem here, or the precaution that we have to take here, is we have to avoid double counting. The double counting might be either the value of a final output should be taken into estimation of GNP, or the sum of values should be added. For example, if I'm taking the value of a cloth, I should take only the value of the cloth. I should not take the value of the yarn, because yarn is the intermediate product of the cloth. So I should always take the total output of the product. As I said, the product method measures the output of the country. Here are the few methods to calculate the gross value of the output of farm. Okay, first what we have to do is we have to take the total production of 64 agriculture commodities, and then the output of each crop is measured by the product of the area sown by average yield or hectare. We have to calculate the total output of the agriculture by taking each hectare into consideration, and we have to multiply the each hectare output so that we can get the total output of the production of the agriculture. And the second, we have to find the total output of each commodity should be measured in terms of market value. It cannot be measured in other value. It should be measured in terms of market value. The market value means the price of the commodity which the market accepts. And these 64 commodities aggregate output measures the gross value of the agricultural output. Yes, it gives the final output of the 64 commodities. And finally, the agriculture output should be measured by deducting the cost of the seed, manure, fertilizers, market charges, repairs. We should not add any other expenses. We should add only the final output. We should not add any intermediate expenses for producing this output. So likewise, the gross values of the output of different industries like animal husbandry, forestry, fishery, mining and factory establishments are calculated by multiplying their estimates of total production with market price, which means the total output should be multiplied with the market price of the current rate. Second, this output, when you are calculating this output, you should not include the cost of process of production and depreciation allowances. It should be deducted.